What's going on, guys, man? It's your boy Get 'em Jay here on Bank Fishing TV, man. So today is February 26th. I went out this morning, went to Arrowhead Park, fished it for about 2.5 hours. Didn't catch nothing, man. Decided to go Little M. Went up there, fished it about 2.5, 3 hours, and no luck. Thought I had a catfish, but it must have been a dink because as soon as I went to pull on it, it slipped right out, and that was it. That's all she wrote. A couple more hits. No crappie, live minnows. I did a bobber and float. A float and a jig. I tried everything. I even tried some bass fishing. I couldn't catch nothing, man. Nothing's hitting. Today's water temperature was 39 degrees, man. 39 degrees. Hopefully this water goes up, man. It's gonna be like this. They're saying that they're closer to the dam in the deeper parts, and that is the deepest part of the lake. I think it ranges about a good 50 feet, I think, if I'm correct, from what I've seen. But man, I just came, like I said, I left Little M Park and decided to hit up a creek. But where I had a park was, I had a park at an abandoned business that's been temporarily closed. I think they're just shut down completely, but I didn't want to park there and still have to walk a little minute away and have my car towed when I come back and it's gone, you know, or a ticket or something. And so I avoided it. And that's about it, man. I'm gonna put the 2 places I went to today, and then I'm gonna put in the couple other locations I went to in Grapevine, if y'all want to check those out. But yeah, I had no luck today, so water's too cold. I tried. No, today was no bueno. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. If y'all do, hit the like, sub, share, subscribe, man. And I'm gonna be trying next weekend. All right, guys. Till then, I'm out. I know they probably want something slower than this. Oh, what was that? What was that? Oh, I had a fish. Oh, wow. What was that? I thought I was stuck. I thought I was literally stuck. Oh, that was big. Whatever that was, it was dragging. It was running. I think that 8 ounce might be a little bit too big. It's so hot, guys, that my glasses it's starting to fog up a little bit. It's humid. Got him. Oh, he got off. He got off. Oh, I felt. Oh, dang. Dang, he got off. Ah, dang. Oh, oh. Whoa. Whatever hit it, hit that bit hard. Whoa.